All right, today's video is going to be on what, Coop? What are we doing?
Fixing the driveway.
Yep, we're fixing the driveway. Got a lead on some road base, so I'm gonna go rent a trailer tonight. We're gonna haul in a bunch more road base here, and we need a little bit more over there, and I think we're gonna put some up there. So that's what we're doing. It's much needed. We've needed it for about a year. So we're just kind of getting around to it. We gotta rent a trailer and we'll be able to get out there and first thing in the morning, and we'll bring you guys along. All right, Coop, did we get the trailer? Seems pretty straightforward as far as dump trailers go. 2 8,000-pound axles. We should be able to quite easily haul 4 yards at a time. The plan is to try to do at least 7 loads. I'd love to get 8 in if we can. You excited, Coop? Ollie approves. Don't you, Ollie? Anyway, all right, we'll see y'all tomorrow. So we're out here at the concrete plant. They're finishing loading. What's up? Got a whole bunch of base over there that we're getting. Pretty happy with how it's turning out. So. All right, so we got everything pulled in, hauled in that we're gonna, and would love to have a skid steer, but we're gonna have to settle for the old tractor and just try to get it as best as we can. But we ended up hauling in about 20 yards, I think is what we ended up with. Close to that, 18 to 20. And then, of course, Cooper's trying to off-road his Power Wheels. Anyway, I'll set you guys up and we'll do a time lapse or two. So it should turn out pretty good. You're doing a what? Definitely my kid. There you go. Alright, so we just got done with the tractor and box blading it. It's not perfect by any means, but it's a whole lot better than it was. And we had to kind of make do with what we had. Obviously a skid steer or a bobcat would be perfect in this scenario, but that maybe is in the works at some point, but just not an option right now. So anyway, we're gonna go grab the harrow and put some finishing touches on it. You ready, buddy? What are we going to do?
I don't know.
Grab the harrow, buddy. All right, come on.
All right, arrows.
Yeah. All right, Coop, do you remember how to do this?
I know.
So you gotta undo that.
Yeah.
Here, I'll hold it. You can turn it. Good job.
Can you do it, Dad?
Now you got it. Pull it out.
Can you do it?
Just pull it straight out. Up. Try to turn it a little bit more. There we go. Now we're gonna put this through there like that.
Can you
All right. Now feed it back in there.
I'll try. Can't do it. Dad, I'll try. Dad, can you do it? I can hold it.
All right. You gonna hold it?
Yeah.
All right, buddy. You ready? Watch for the fire ants. Yeah? All right, so we just got done putting the finishing touches on the driveway with the harrow and the side-by-side. Quite honestly, turned out much better than expected. Right up here, we had giant washouts at the beginning of the video that I showed, probably almost 8 inches deep. So we covered that up about 6-7 inches over the top with base. And I tried to roll in as much as possible, compact it in, so hopefully it lasts a little bit longer. Right here, we had this big ditch. We got that all completely covered up. So very, very happy with the outcome and how everything turned out. This weekend, we are expecting a little bit of rain. So that should come in and kind of settle everything down and start firming up this base. But as usual, thank you for watching, and we'll see y'all later.